Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to add projects section to your Wix website. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to select your website. After that you will end up over here at the top right corner. Just click on edit site. Once you are here, this is how it looks like. This is where you can easily add sections. One thing I should tell you that there was used to be a section called projects, and now it's not. It was used to be, but if you go onto the left side, click on add section, and you can see that we have so many options to choose from. That means we can just go for any one of them and start editing. So if I go to surfaces, you will see that this is very similar to projects used to be like. So if I go ahead and scroll down on my website, and if I want to show my projects over here, how I can do that, just click that, drag that over here, and after that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll down until you see it's like this, and I'm gonna change this to projects, and after that I'm gonna name this project, this project, this project, and this project. I'm gonna change the images also. As you can see, you can easily change images, and after that what you can do, you can set this read more button to a new page where you are explained whole project, and obviously you can link it from over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add project section to your Wix website. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.